Hello, my name is Napoli, and today I will be speaking to you about climate change and its effect on Arctic species, specifically the polar bear. This presentation was done for Dr. Torlapati in Environmental Engineering 1 at Rowan University. To begin, some background information on climate change. Humans have been indirectly changing the levels of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere by burning fossil fuels like coal and oil. This increase in greenhouse gases acts like a blanket over Earth, trapping and increasing temperatures. There are many causes of these greenhouse gases, yet humans are by far the main contributor. Rising heat levels all over the world have many environmental impacts, which, in many cases, are detrimental. The rising temperatures are causing the sea ice of the Arctic to melt away. Here, we see a satellite image of the Arctic from January of 1984. The different ice colors indicate how old the area is, with gray being younger and white being the oldest. If we move forward 32 years, we see an image taken from the same location with a vastly different makeup. Not only has the amount of available sea ice shrunken, but the average age has decreased as well. These levels are predicted to continue decreasing until they either disappear or something is done to intervene. Here, we see a graph depicting the average temperatures in the Arctic over the last 2,000 years. In the last 100 years, the temperature has increased rapidly, leading to a decrease in the amount of sea ice. So you may be asking yourself, what does this loss of sea ice mean for polar bears? First of all, polar bears are not aquatic animals. The sea ice is their habitat where they roam, hunt, breed, and sometimes den. Without this area, they would quickly perish as they are not adapted to other environments. The declining population creates a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. Without the polar bears preying on seals, their population numbers would rapidly increase. This would lead to a dropping off of Arctic cod, the seal's main food source. This drop-off would then lead to an increase in smaller fish, throwing off the entire food chain. Polar bears are a critical part of the Arctic ecosystem. Polar bears have been listed as vulnerable with their population declining. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists their largest threat as loss of habitat from melting sea ice. As the temperature continues to increase, more sea ice will be lost, leading to even more population decreases for polar bears. If actions are not changed, it is predicted that wild polar bears will be gone by the year 2100. So I hope that you are now asking yourself, what can be done to stop affecting this environment? First of all, decreasing commercial activity in the area will be a large help. Any commercial enterprises, whether those are oil drilling, tourism, sea trafficking, or fishing, all disrupt and lead to loss of sea ice. Halting human interference in this area will improve the life of the ice. Also, decreasing the amount of greenhouse gases will aid in decreasing temperatures on Earth, thus increasing the life of the sea ice. Thank you.